If masking tape peels, paint, or drywall, when removed after baseboard painting with carpet, stop and assess the damage before proceeding. Peel the tape slowly back at a low angle while the paint is still tacky if possible, but once paint or drywall has lifted, the controlled response is repair rather than panic. For small flakes, use a flexible putty knife to remove loose material and then apply a thin layer of spackle or lightweight joint compound, feathering it beyond the damaged edges so the patch blends into surrounding surface. Let the compound dry fully, then sand lightly with fine sandpaper until smooth to the touch and visibly flush with the wall or baseboard. Wipe away dust with a damp cloth so the new paint will adhere properly. Prime the repaired area with a stain-blocking primer, especially if bare drywall or gypsum paper is exposed, then repaint with the same finish and sheerness as the original work using light, even strokes to avoid lap marks. For future jobs, choose a tape designed for delicate surfaces that lists low adhesion and remove it within the manufacturer recommended time, usually within 48 hours. Remove it by pulling back slowly at a 45-degree angle and warm the tape with a hairdryer if conditions are cold to soften the adhesive. If the tear is extensive or the paper face of the drywall has been removed over a wide area, consider skim coating the affected section or consulting a professional for a larger drywall repair. Common mistakes include pulling tape off quickly, which lifts paint and paper, and the remedy is always to slow the removal and angle the pull so stress is parallel to the surface rather than perpendicular. Another frequent issue is using standard or heavy-duty masking tape on fresh or semi-cured paint, which is too aggressive, so switch to painter tape labeled for delicate surfaces and stick to the removal window noted on the roll. A third concern is skipping primer over patched drywall, which leads to uneven sheen and absorption, so always prime patched areas before painting to ensure uniform color and finish. We run bighomeprojects.com, which helps homeowners find local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people who need jobs with those who do them. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post photos about repairs like fixing peeled paint and drywall.